win.
I'm just going to make sure that it's going to it.
I should wear my Duke Blue Devil shirt today.
No, you shouldn't.
Why? It's a polo. You're just a hater. I should wear my Duke Blue Devil shirt today. Okay. Why? All right.
It's messing up the chroma key?
Well, we don't have the lights on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is just particularly for audio.
Yeah, just audio. Are you muted, Clay?
What's up?
Were you muted?
Just now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
I just hear a lot of white noise on here, and I didn't know if it was coming from the video or...
I think it's coming from the video.
I think it's coming from Teams.
Oh, is it?
I think so. Because I have the video muted. But I can hear like a hissing. But I think it's... Right? You hear that, right?
I do.
Now, see that hissing is what I was hearing in the podcast audio before you remixed that last one last week.
Yeah, but you're not getting any audio. Well, oh yeah. Let's see.
All right, I'm gonna mute myself again, Glenn. You start talking, man.
All right. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Picking breakout or explosive stocks is one of the most favorite trading methods for those stock traders looking for bigger returns. Our expert stock picking panel, made up of our senior investing instructors, are screening the database for candidates that have the best characteristics to trade. These stocks are great for momentum traders who want stocks that have a higher probability of making a big move in a short period of time. Our hot stock panels know exactly what technical and fundamental analysis is needed to find these trending stocks. All you need to do is watch us live and add these stocks to your watch list so you don't miss the exact point to make your move. Skip the research and save time. You'll get all the information and more. I would like to personally invite you to our exclusive hot stock panel where we will highlight 10 stocks you should own. Please join myself and 3 other top-level instructors on YouTube Live Wednesday, July 8th, 2020 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. These panels have been so much fun to do, yet so informative. People have made good money on many of the picks, and you don't want to miss out on that. Please remember to...
Get rid of that mixing board.
Do you like it? Say what?
That Yeti sounds way better.
Wow. Okay.
I'm comparing it to June 18th's Trending Thursday.
Yeah.
And his voice is a lot fuller, if that makes sense.
Yeah. So, okay, so you like the Yeti?
Yeti, for sure.
Okay. Do you want... We still have a filter on here. We still have the compressor filter. Do you want me to put on... Do you want me to put on noise suppression?
Hold on. Let me go through that list real quick. And we will find... Alright, so you have which one on?
Right now, just compressor. But I have limiter up. I have noise suppression, noise gate, and gain. But I have the eye turned off on all of those.
Alright. So the compressor is very useful for your typical microphone. It's set for sometimes spike much louder.
I think we need to leave the compressor on.
Get into a heat discussion will automatically lower the source's volume. Yes, because Glenn likes to yell sometimes.
If you like where it was at right now, you know what I mean?
No, it sounds wonderful.
Okay.
And then, what were you talking about adding?
Noise suppression.
Let me see. Noise suppression filter can be used. Mild background noise or white noise.
So I can turn it on, and I have it halfway, and I can have Glenn read this thing back and see if you think it sounds better or not.
All right, hold on real quick. While this is generally not effective in large amounts of background noise, it can be quite effective at reducing things like PC fan noise or environmental noise.
Environmental noise.
It's not going to take away you clicking on the keyboard, though, when you're hovering over the keyboard.
Well, that's what I'm thinking is maybe instead of the noise suppression, the noise gate allows to cut off all background noise while you're not talking.
I'll move noise gate up.
Go ahead.
I can move the noise gate to after compressor.
The gate is just like a gate. It allows sound to hit, but at a certain level. Then it opens the gate.
Specifically for like mouse and keyboard clicks and shit.
Right. So now, as I'm typing, unless it hits a certain level, you won't hear it. So if you push it up, now my clicks have to be so much more louder in order to come through. The gate will not allow them to come through if you have a high gate. But when I'm talking, though, I have to speak at a certain level in order for the gate to let my voice go through.
Yeah, but from my understanding, normal, even lower voice volume is set under that. Under that threshold.
Okay.
Over that threshold, so you won't have any problems with that. But I think what we need to use is the expander. So an expander can be used to reduce background noise such as computer fans, mouse and keyboard clicks, breathing, and unwanted mouth noises. An expander reduces the level of audio signal by applying gain reduction similar to compressor, but below the threshold instead of above it.
All right. See, I don't even know what it is.
It kind of looks a lot like the compressor settings. Like it has a ratio and a threshold and an attack and a release. And but it has a preset. It has expander and it has gate. So let's try it on expander. I'm going to turn it on with compression. I'm going to have Glenn read this back. Let's mute ourselves and see if you think it sounds better or worse.
Sounds good.
Tell me when.
Go ahead.
Picking breakout or explosive stocks is one of the most favorite trading methods for those stock traders looking for bigger returns. Our expert stock panel, made up of our senior investing instructors, are screening the database for candidates that have the best characteristics to trade. These stocks are great for momentum traders who want stocks that have a higher
I'm going to turn gate on. Just keep reading, Glenn.
Higher probability of making a big move in a short period of time. Our hot stock panels know exactly what technical and fundamental analysis is needed to find these trending stocks. All you need to do is watch us live and add these stocks to your watch list so you don't miss the exact point to make your move. Skip the research and save time. You'll get all the information and more. I would personally like to invite you to our exclusive hot stock panel where we will highlight 10 stocks you should own. Please join myself and 3 other top-level instructors on YouTube Live Wednesday, July 8th, 2020 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time.
What do you think? Could you tell a difference in the two?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, okay. Which one was better?
First or second part? First half or second half?
See, that's what I'm trying to decide. With the second half,
We'd like to invite you to our exclusive hot stock panel where we will highlight 10 stocks you should own. Please join my
it's definitely keeping.
I would like to personally invite you to our exclusive hot.
It's definitely keeping his voice more level, if that makes sense.
On the first half?
On the second half.
On the second half. So the second half was gate.
Right.
Wait. Hold on. The second half of that last.
Go to the first part. I think the first part. I'm hearing that. I sound more muffled.
That's the first time we did it. He hasn't started the second, right?
What do you mean he hasn't started the second half?
We haven't turned on expander yet. You're still before that.
No, I'm.
Because he didn't read that part.
The expander part was at the beginning.
When he says picking breakout or explosive stocks.
Hold on.
You'll get all the information so you know exactly what technical thing. These stocks are great for momentum. Okay, so you like the gate.
Yeah, after that. Yeah, right there.
You'll get all the information.
This is the first one we did with just the compressor, right?
Hot stock panel, where we will highlight 10 stocks you should own.
I don't know how far back you are on the YouTube page.
What's up?
All right, let's do
I can't
this.
tell how far back you are on the YouTube on the video.
7 minutes back.
All right, let's do it again. And now you'll track from the beginning.
Wait, no, hold on. Let's get this straightened out. So the first time we had Glenn do the spiel,
It was just compressor.
just compressor, and then the second time was compressor and what?
And expander for the first couple sentences, and then when I said I'm going to turn on gate now,
That was
and then I turned on gate.
Yeah, that was back here somewhere.
It couldn't have been too long ago.
It was on
Oh
this.
yeah, that's this one. This is the one I was talking about. It like really leveled out his voice.
On the first half or the second half?
See, I don't know if this.
That was the reason why I said let's do it again. And then now you'll be able to hear the differences between the two because you'll be listening now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay, so we're going to start with compressor and expander on. Expander has 2 presets. Glenn's going to read down about halfway, and then I'm going to change the preset to the other preset, which is called gate. I'm going to let him talk for maybe a minute,
So
and
we're
then I'm going to
starting
change it.
with the compressor and the expander, and then we're.
But the
doing
expander
compressor,
has 2.
expander, and gate.
No, the expander has 2 presets.
Okay. So the second one will be compressor and expander with the second gate preset, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to mute myself. I'm going to let Glenn read. All right, go ahead.
Picking breakout or explosive stocks is one of the most favorite trading methods for those stock traders looking for bigger returns. Our expert stock picking panel, made up of our senior investing instructors, are screening the database for candidates that have the best characteristics to trade. These stocks are great for momentum traders who want stocks that have a higher probability of making a big move in a short period of time. Our hot stock panels know exactly what technical and fundamental analysis is needed to find these trading stocks.
Okay, now I'm going to go to the other preset right now. And now Glenn's going to keep reading and see if you can hear a difference. Go ahead.
All you need to do is watch us live and add these stocks to your watch list so you don't miss the exact point to make your move. Skip the research and save time. You'll get all the information and more. I would like to personally invite you to our exclusive hot stock panel where we will highlight 10 stocks you should own. Please join myself and 3 other top-level instructors on YouTube Live Wednesday, July 8th, 2020 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. These panels have been so much fun to do, yet so informative. People have made good money on many of the picks, and you don't want to miss out on that. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can get reminders on when we're doing something. Can't wait to see you there.
I think we need to change that last line to when we were doing something. Well, both those lines. When click the bell so you can get reminders. Can't wait to see you there. We just need to delete that out. Can you edit that out?
Nope.
Okay, thanks. All right. You should be through with the second half.
All right, so I don't think there's a big difference between those two, because there's not like a ton of background noise. You know what I mean?
So I'd say stick with the first one.
I was, when we did it the first time, I was tapping the keys and trying to make noise back here, but
None of that was coming through.
It's beautiful.
yeah, we'll just leave it on that anyway. All right, so we're gonna leave compressor and expander on, and we're gonna run with the Yeti today.
It sounds great, dude. Seriously, you
Okay.
should go back and look at that link.
Yeah, I will definitely check it out.
Know exactly what technical and
But you know, I think doing it this way, you're not even gonna have to worry about audition.
That's exactly what I'm trying to get out of, right?
Yeah, exactly. But so how do you want to do the podcast audio this week? You just want to strip it from the video, or do you want to try to set up Audition to record the audio file?
Audacity.
No, I thought we were talking about Audition last week.
I'm not gonna Audition. I have to install here, and I have to keep moving it
Sign
around.
in.
Yeah, I have to keep signing in and signing out. I would rather just pull it from the video.
Okay, I'm totally cool with that. I just wanted to see what you wanted to do.
Yeah, that's preferred for me.
Okay.
If I do it that way, and we can get on a nice like schedule and a routine, rather, maybe that's the better word, then
Yeah.
I can give you those timestamps too. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Because I can
Yeah,
see
that
the
sounds
video.
great.
It's so much easier to find them when you're looking at the video. So I would trim the ends off. I would add the bookends that we're gonna make.
Okay.
I think we're gonna make those next week.
Yeah. I've been trying to get a hold of Mark, but
I mean the podcast bookends,
oh, the podcast bookends. Okay, yeah, that's
right?
fine.
So I would put that on there in Premiere Pro, and then I would be able to give you all the
Audio.
timestamps
Okay.
as well for the stories.
Perfect. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. And then
The only problem here is I can't mute Glenn. I guess I can on OBS, huh?
Check. There you go. You can.